CDI, the industry leader in pipeline pig location and tracking equipment. At CDI, we're proud to say that we've been manufacturing a wide variety of innovative and reliable pig tracking equipment for both onshore and offshore use for 25 years. This video introduces CDI's newest pipeline pig tracking receivers, the TRAXALL 500 and the TRAXALL 620. These receivers are designed specifically for operators who need durable, intuitive, and powerful pig tracking receivers at the lowest price points in the industry. Both of these new receivers allow easy tracking and precise locating of any type of pipeline pig in diameters as small as 2 inches. Foam pigs, urethane pigs, steel mandrel pigs, and even smart pigs all can be readily tracked with these new receivers. Both of the receivers are watertight and made of tough ABS plastic, and with a carry weight of less than 1.5 kilograms, the systems are both tough and lightweight. The biggest difference between these two receivers is that the TRAXALL 500 tracks the industry standard 22 Hz frequency only, while the TRAXALL 620 tracks 22 Hz as well as 2 additional transmitter frequencies available with our TRAXALL family of transmitters. This additional capability allows the TRAXALL 620 system to easily track and pinpoint up to 3 separate pigs during a pig run or in the barrel of a launcher or receiver. At CDI, we listen to our customers. We realize that not everyone tracks pipeline pigs every day. Often, our equipment is used only occasionally, making simple, intuitive, and cost-effective operation critical. To better suit the infrequent users of our equipment, CDI has condensed the operation of the TRAXALL 620 and TRAXALL 500 systems into a clear and simple user interface. The TRAXALL 500 and the TRAXALL 620 use intuitive rows of LED lights to represent a transmitter's signal strength. The more LEDs that are lit, the closer the transmitter is to the receiver. On the TRAXALL 500, there is a single row of white LEDs which indicates the signal strength of any 22 Hz transmitter. On the TRAXALL 620, there are 2 additional rows of LEDs labeled B and C, which represent the 2 additional TRAXALL frequencies. Below the signal strength indicators is a single multicolored LED, which serves as a power on indicator as well as a battery life indication. Green indicates that the system's batteries are in good condition, yellow that the batteries are weak, and red indicates that the batteries should be changed soon. Changing the batteries is as simple as flipping the unit over and opening the battery compartment with a Phillips screwdriver. Both the TRAXALL 500 and the TRAXALL 620 use 6 standard alkaline AA cell batteries. Looking at the controls of the TRAXALL 500, we see only 3 buttons and 1 knob. The rightmost red button is power on and off. To turn the system on, simply depress the power button for 2 seconds. To turn the system off, press and hold this power button a second time. The leftmost gray button is a brightness control. Pressing this button cycles through the TRAXALL receiver's brightness options. To the right of the brightness button is a mute-unmute button. This button allows enabling or disabling the system's beeping on transmitter pulses. To avoid confusion, the receiver will always have beeping enabled when powered up. In the center of the keypad is a single knob which controls the sensitivity of the receiver and is labeled plainly with CDI's recommended use for each position: pinpointing, walking, and stationary. The 2 pinpointing switch positions are recommended for use when you're locating a stationary pig and are close to the pipeline. Often, this will be to locate the precise position of a pig in a launcher or receiver, or to pinpoint a stuck pig in a pipeline. In the pinpointing switch positions, the receiver is at its least sensitive and is very tolerant of being moved. Turning the knob up to any one of the 4 walking positions increases the system's sensitivity to transmitters, but not so much that it can't be moved or walked with. We recommend these settings when you're walking with the receiver and looking for a pig stopped in the pipeline. At the top of the dial are 2 switch positions for stationary use. At this level of sensitivity, the receiver should be left still and on the ground during use. However, it will be at its most sensitive and will be able to detect transmitters at maximum range and depth. It will be difficult to walk with the unit at these high sensitivity levels unless the operator is very experienced with the equipment. TRAXALL 620 and TRAXALL 500. Powerful tools which provide for simple, durable, and inexpensive means of tracking, locating, and pinpointing pipeline pigs. If you'd like to learn more about CDI's newest TRAXALL family of pipeline pig tracking receivers, please contact us at sales@pigging.com or visit our website at www.pigging.com.